Okay. I switched the switch that shouldn't be switched, and maybe it'll fix the video. Oh, it's nice and warm out. And the sun's over that way now, obviously. Because there's the view from over that way. I love the optical zoom on this. It's got a nice lens. I mean, look at that. I mean, that's really far away. Okay, so let's see if we can see the mushrooms yet. Oh, there's that same patch. Let's see if we can get that in there. No, it's too blur. It just wants to blur out on me. Okay, it should be right about in there. Yep, right about in there. Alrighty. So that's what mushrooms look like when they're just starting out. And there is some over there. I couldn't even see it in my own video. I looked at it again and I was like, where was I even talking about? But there's some on there too. Alrighty then. Peace.